Hey guys, what's going on? This is Josh with Fellowship of the Keys. Hope y'all are doing alright today. I'm back with another video. We're gonna learn some Thundercat, one of the best basses out there. And he plays a 6-string bass, so he's pretty cool. And we're gonna learn his song, Them Changes. It's a great song, and we're gonna go ahead and get right into it. Alright, so I'm gonna play it first, just to show you guys how it's gonna sound, and then we're gonna go from there. Alright, 2. All right, so that's essentially how the song's gonna go. The first part just repeats almost the entire song besides the bridge, so we're gonna jump right into that. So the first part is essentially 5 chords. So the song's gonna start off with a B7, I'm gonna play a G minor 7, I'm gonna play a G sharp minor 7, we're gonna play an F minor 7, and then we're gonna play a D sharp minor. So after I play the F minor 7, I just kind of do octave E's, octave E flats or D sharp, they're both the same. And then I play the actual chord up here. And then it just repeats. And to make it sound better, I just kind of roll with my thumb and then play the other notes after, so it sounds something like this. In the right hand, and that's the right hand. In the left hand is just gonna do octaves, but it's just gonna be the bass note of the chord. So it's gonna be B's for the B7. You can play them both together at the same time, or you could just play the chords, something like that. So the left hand is just gonna go in octaves, but I'll show you up front. It's just gonna go B, G, G sharp, F, D sharp. So it's gonna sound like this. And then I like to throw a little bass in my left hand, just because that's what Thundercat does, or that's how the song sounds better. And at the end, I'll like to throw this little C sharp in there too. So together, it's gonna sound like this. I'll play it slow. And it's gonna sound something like that. And you can even throw in, whenever you get good at that and wanna play some melody, I start up, in that chord right here, the B7, and just go back and forth on those two and those two. and then, you know, play the D sharp minor. It's gonna sound something like that. And whenever you play that, I just play the simple chords in my left hand. So I'll still play the B7. Instead of playing all the sevens, I'll just play the normal chords. So just G minor, G sharp minor, F minor, and then the D sharp minor. And so that's the first part of that song. So again with the melody, it's gonna sound. The melody is just whatever, however he's singing it, and you can just figure that out if you have a good ear for it. And then, so that's the first part of the song, and kind of the last part of the song. Right in the middle, there's a little bridge. So for the bridge, we're gonna start off with an F sharp major. Then we're gonna play a B7. We're gonna play B7 in the left hand. I play like the start of it, but yeah. And then if you guys remember the D sharp minor, that chord, we're gonna play that right after the B with, you know, bass note, that B flat in your left hand. Then we're gonna play an A diminished. And then we're gonna, I don't really know what this chord is, but it looks just like the B7, but except we're gonna play it with your ring finger instead of your middle finger. So it's gonna sound like. And then, you know, and then we're gonna play a C sharp major 7. So to repeat, it's gonna be F sharp major, B7, or if you want to play it like this, then we're gonna go to the D sharp minor 7, the A diminished, to the almost B7, to the C sharp minor 7. So your left, so your right hand, and that's for your right hand. Your left hand, you can play the chords, you can play the octaves, it's up to you. So I do a little bit of both. B7. And then here I just start playing the octaves whenever I start with the D sharp minor. And then I just kind of go down by half steps. And you jump up to the C sharp. So for there I went B flat, A, for, you know, for that A diminished, and then G sharp. So I guess this has something to do with the G sharp. Then, you know, C sharp minor, major 7. So we play the C sharp over here. And that's the first part of the bridge, and then we're gonna repeat, but instead of just the F sharp major, we're gonna play the F sharp major 7. And I just go, but all with my pinky in the F major 7. Then, you know, the B7. And then after this, we have 2 more chords left before we get back to the verse. and your left hand's gonna stay on the B flat. So this doesn't move, and you kind of play something that looks like this. So I'll move those. So it's this, but I play that A flat down here. And then you play just a B flat major. So this chord, but I play it inverted. And that second part is gonna sound like. And that left part was just. So I just kind of just went down and I just ended back up here. So it was B flat, A flat, A flat to F sharp, F, D sharp, back to the B flat, and then you just start over. So I'm gonna do the bridge one more time, and then we should be good. And I'll play it slow, so it's gonna sound like this. All right, and that's essentially the whole song of Them Changes by Thundercat. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please hit that subscribe button. Please like this video. Please comment. I'd love to hear feedback. Put down whatever you guys want to hear me play. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a great